I'm Gemma. I'm the Senior Community Engagement Producer at Wales Millennium Centre.
Ac enw fi di Ffion, a fi di'r Cynhyrchydd Ymgysylltu ar Gymuned yma yn Canolfan Mileniwm Cymru.
We want to make sure this is your home for the arts. All year round we celebrate communities and cultures and want to make sure there's a space for you to run exhibitions and performances.
Theatre and the arts should be accessible for everyone, and our goal is to keep these doors open and accessible to all. We want to have a space for our communities to meet, be themselves and share their stories and creativity.
Something we're really proud about is our community ticketing scheme. Last year we provided 3,000 tickets to community members.
This is a pay what you can initiative that removes price barriers and gives communities access to world-class theatre at affordable prices.
Having accessible tickets means that people can try it out and not spend a lot of money and then worry that they'll hate it. So it's a good way to kind of dip your toes in.
The experience that it gives you when you come and the world of magic that it opens is just unbelievable.
Something we really wanted to create is the Wales Millennium Centre being a home for communities and creatives to express themselves and host their own events.
This is such a rich space. We're home to poetry events, book club, community performance and loads of exhibitions.
When you open doors and make people feel welcome that this building is your space, you can do whatever you want with it, it removes the intimidation, it removes the barriers, it removes the borders, and people can be like, this is a huge grand place, but we can make it our home, we can make it our space.
Throughout the year we celebrate lots of the cultures that we find here in Wales.
From Butetown Carnival to Diwali to our annual St David's Day event.
So this is our 10th year and WMC has been alongside us ever since the beginning. As Carnival has grown and developed and got bigger, so as the centre's input has grown and got bigger too. And it's about our heritage and our culture.
My name is Wasim Said, founder of Tiger Bay Security. We got involved with the Wales Millennium Centre through the Butetown Carnival, which was an amazing success, getting the local boys involved on the doorstep of Cardiff Bay, which used to be Tiger Bay, and it's all about working together as a team, and it's just more than a team inside the Wales Millennium Centre, it's as a family as well.
Young Queens have become now just a project for ethnic minority girls, particularly Somali girls, to come together and do different performing arts, learning their own Somali culture and the Welsh culture. We got involved with Wales Millennium Centre just after we made our first production of the girls' poems. We were looking for a space and unfortunately couldn't really find anywhere that would cater to what we needed. And honestly, that's how we got in. We love it here.
Iftar this evening has been incredible. Over 350 people from our community, both Muslim and non-Muslim, have been able to come to the Wales Millennium Centre, break Iftar together.
We love working here because it's a chance for people to come and tell their stories in a way that suits them.
Dewch i mewn i weld beth sydd ar gael, sgwrsiwch efo ni, a gella mae'r digwyddiad nesaf yma fydd un chi.